Hey, Dana here, and welcome to the blog, and this is Hemped Up. Well, unfortunately, for the past 4 days, I haven't been hemped up. Well, that's because the CBD oil that I got is in cinnamon flavor, and all of a sudden, I've already used half of it, and all of a sudden my tongue started to get blistered, and I'm not sure exactly what caused it. I don't know whether it was the cinnamon flavor, because I used almost half of the peppermint, and I didn't have an issue. So what I did is I backed off for 4 days to see if it would go, of course, so the blistering would go away, and then try it again. It didn't help when I I ate a Carolina, what's it called? A Carolina Reaper peanut. that didn't do it. That didn't do a bit of good, and I did that. Back of my throat's suffering from that. I should have got a YouTube video of that. I think I will. I'll take another one. Jesus. I like hot, but that was an extreme hot. My eyes were watering. My freaking my face was red, and man, my sinuses were draining big time. I was not expecting that. But, anyway, so I backed off, and I find that I'm a big change without it. Little things get me upset. I get anxious, and my mood change is definitely noticeable to myself. When using the CBD oil, I'm just as calm as I can be. Little things don't bother me. I know when I took a flight to Georgia, I didn't get anxious at all. I was really calm during the flight. Didn't bother me at all, even when it was bouncing around up there. But just to let you know, if you try the cinnamon, it does have a burning sensation when you take it. The difference between this and the peppermint, I think I can get peppermint. I gotta look and see, because the peppermint I ordered has 0 THC, and the HempWorks is right under the limit at 0.003 THC. So I don't know if that made a difference or not, but I'm definitely going to order some. I'm getting ready to make another order, so I'm going to order some regular, just plain, no added flavor whatsoever, and try that and see what it does. So just to let you know that it definitely helps with your mood. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to click on the links in the description, and that'll take you into the into my web page. Now you don't have to start your own business, but if you're on CBD oil, you like it, well, pass it on to other people now and make an income. So by sharing it with other people, you're able to make a income off of your situation. That's the nice thing about it. So if you're using CBD oil, join me and start making some money. You don't have to start a big business. Just by referring other people, you can get your samples for free, or you can start a business and make an income. I don't really have any issues. I don't have MS. I don't have glaucoma. I don't have any real issues. I don't get migraines. I don't get other situations where CBD oil is beneficial for it. I take it because of the fact that it keeps me calm. I don't get anxious. I don't get nervous anymore. I don't get I stay everything for me stays calm. Helps me sleep. Helps me wake up in the morning. There's so many benefits to CBD oil, and it's going to be really, really big as soon as all the states are now on the same page. More states are opening up to recreational use. So if you want to make an income, or you want to get your product for free, take a look at the opportunity. Thanks for watching again. Definitely click on the links and check it out. And we'll catch you on the next.